Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And today I'm going to be trading 33 damn beaters and a green short collar for a pink beater tail. So guys, I'm recording right now using my voice. And let me refresh, it's so laggy. Okay, rip my chat. My computer's just glitching like just crazy right now. Okay guys, let me refresh and we'll get started on this trade. So yeah guys, wish me luck. I trust Pamela because she overtraded a good long when I got scammed from my 10 headers. Okay guys, hopefully the lag will go. So Pam, put bad and tail on. I'll do 20 for bad and 13 for tail with green shorts. Oh my god. I have a touch screen computer and it's just going out of control. Yes. Just wish me luck I don't get scammed. I've already lost a 10 headdress. I'm really hoping I don't get scammed. And 1 second, I'm gonna check YouTube to see if PamRef has ever scammed anyone. I'm just precautious before I trade PamRef. Not what I had in mind. Try this. This is why you don't type in random stuff and expect to get a legit search resource. Okay. Guys, please watch and record. I'm hoping I don't get scammed. I'm really working. I'll start trading. If PamRef scams me, I'm gonna be devastated. I just lost a 10 headdress. Okay, no, it's annoying. See what my mouse is doing? My cursor is just glitching out of control. So yeah, guys, let's start this trade. Wish me a ton of luck I don't get scammed because I really hope PamRef's a good person on this. You know, let's not do too many let's not do too many non-member them beaters since they're worth more. I want to avoid getting scammed in this process. So guys, please give me all your luck on this. Because seriously, I worked for these beaters. And yeah. I've already learned my lesson on scamming. I really do not need to be scammed even more. So yeah, we're gonna do 20 for bad. I hope PamRef does not scam me. Seriously, I'm telling you guys, I'm nervous. I'm like so gullible to scamming, honestly. It's just like one of my top traits. Please give me all your luck, guys, because I could just lose a good long on this trade. And my legs are shaking like crazy. I am so gullible to scamming. I cannot lie about that. I gotta admit the fact. Okay, my legs are shaking even more. Please give me all your luck. Please do not scam me. I'm begging you, Pan. Okay. I have like an 80% feeling that she's gonna scam me. I could lose a good long's worth out of this. Please, Pan, don't scam. I can't scam her, dude. I'm going first. Okay. I'm shaking. Now tail. Please, Pan, do not scam. I'm begging you. My legs are like out of control. Oh my god. My guts are like crazy right now. Please don't. Oh my god. Mouse, stop. In the middle of big trades, it's so annoying when your mouse glitches. Seriously. Because I'm just shaking. Okay, wow, guys. It's hard to control this. Please do not scam me. How many times can I say scam in the video? I have no idea. Please do not scam me. Why am I even laughing at this? Seriously, come on. You know, I don't think I have 33, so I'm gonna have to add something. So yeah, guys, here we go. Let's try to get that tail. 10. Okay, no, I made a mistake. I'm just gonna have to add a wrist. Here we go. I made a big mistake. I have to add that wrist. And will I get that tail? Oh my god, thank you so much. So guys, I did not get scammed in this process. Okay guys, this is really great news. What do I have left? Okay, so I can afford a good long. Thank you so much. And guys, I am officially at a black long collar. My second black long in this process. Thanks so much. Again. I know, it's fine. Let me refresh. I'm just so glad I avoided getting scammed. And yes, I hope I can get it back. Oh my god, I'm still sweating. It's so hard. Anyway, guys, wish me all your luck that I can try to get my 10 hedges back. Of course, the scammer's not going to return it. So, yeah. So guys, you know what? Let's continue this video with a bunch of random stuff. We have no idea. Probably trading, partying, I'm not sure. And yes, rip my damn Venus. You know, I can tell you I've got some random stuff. Dude, I'm a girl. Sure. What? Oh my freak, I said I'm a girl. I'm a boy. You know what's so disturbing? When you say something you have no intention on even planning to say the word. Like, it's just so weird. Okay, my eggs. Yes, potatoes are lit. Potato squad forever. When you say a bunch of memes and you have no idea, I'm a boy. Oh my god. You know what's just so weird when people judge you? Like, because you have a pink item when you're a boy? They say, you're a girl, you're a girl. I mean, it's just so gender accusations. I mean, I have no word to explain. But guys, every time you see someone wearing a pink, do not make judge thinking they are a girl. I know. Sure. I mean, honestly, don't go around making gender accusations. What's going on? Hello, my spicy potatoes. Hi. Okay, no, honestly, that's amazing. I'm still recording. You know, I feel super weird. I have like a change in my voice right now. I mean, to me, it's starting to actually get like darker. So yeah, guys, I have no idea when I should do a giveaway. I mean, I really love my fans. Oh, even if I just have like 10 subscribers. I mean, seriously, you're kidding me, right? Just 10 subscribers. But you guys are all appreciated, and I appreciate the fact. Random awkwardness. I appreciate the fact you guys keep a lookout for me. And yes, all I'm trying to say is please avoid scammers. Well, I do. Monique is a scammer, so just avoid her. She's one. Let me try to think of other scammers. I think, yes, Galaxy Girl 123. She has scammed me. She hasn't played for over 30 days ago. And I should end this video soon because it's getting really laggy and I have nothing to say. Sup, potato. Okay. Playing risky games, my dad, when it gets a party at. Okay, so I just got your Jag. A winner gets a party at. By the way, guys. Yeah, I know. So what's happening? If this is trust, I'm gonna keep recording because please no trust. I'm just saying no trust. It gets so annoying at some. Okay, then what's the risky game? I'm gonna go back to my den if this ends up getting boring. Oh, Seriously? You're kidding me. You two just... One more thing. Do you even have the party yet? I'm not gonna make any judges, but seriously? If you mean this, we're not interested in that. I mean... Okay, no, I'm out of here. Trusting is just gonna get me scammed even more. Okay, bye. Guys, I have caught a new scammer. With trusting again. You know, trusting is so unoriginal. The user is CuteSeal0819. CuteSeal0819. She's doing a trust and apparently giving away a party. Let me put this. 1 second. And there goes my mom with me. Bye, guys.